Bottom line, 3 teens in the third row will wish you could have withstood the social stigma of another minivan because there's no replacing the comfort of a minivan's chair-high seating in any crossover, though the Atlas comes closer. Despite its best-in-class cargo space, at least 10 cubic feet's worth of what currently fits behind all the seats in your minivan is going to have to stay home or ride on top of the Traverse, and this will increase its fuel economy penalty relative to minivans. The Chevy's EPA combined rating trails that of the Odyssey, Pacifica, and front-drive Sienna by 1 to 2 miles per gallon. But you will indeed enjoy driving it more than you do the van, and it will comfortably take you farther off the beaten path. Start planning that adventure on the way home from the motor mall.